The best way to run a business is to have direct leadership, but be an ear and empower people. Get the people to do the job. Let them grow their wings. Machine Component Systems, MCS, was founded by my father. I was very fortunate to take on the reins of this business about 10 years ago. And we are a precision engineering company, but we do it with an enormous amount of personal and professional pride. We're very proud of the people that we employ. Without the people, you are nothing. And the investment that we've made with the machine tools and the investment in our people, down from apprentices when they start, continual training within our people to take the company forward. We've just invested some money in CAD/CAM software to parachute the company forward, and we're training 4 people on that at the moment. It just gives me, my father, the people that work here, a sense of purpose in coming to work every day, that we're doing it to the best of our ability. The starting point is that with a CNC lathe, you always have a bar feed anyway. So that is the start of automation. Then when you are making maybe some larger components, when you go onto the fixed head lathes, you may have started by opening and closing the door and actually sort of having the billet in your hand with a person and hand feeding the machine. We've actually taken that away from the person by investing in collaborative robots, industrial robots, and then moving it even further, you then go on to machine tools with its own pallet pool to increase the automation. We'd actually had some very good sliding head machines from another manufacturer over a number of years. Those machines were beginning to age, and we went out to 3 or 4 sliding head manufacturers, and we went to them with the same suite of parts, asked them to tender and provide a complete turnkey proposal for those parts, and Dugard won. The Hanwha machine have come in to this business. The first one came in 2 years ago, and they are very, very good machine tools, and we are very happy. What Dugard did is that they invited us down to Brighton. I took my lead setter and a senior sliding head setter as well. The 3 of us went down to Brighton. We spent the whole day reviewing Dugard as a company and also looking at the Hanwhas in action that they had in place. And on the back of the quotation that they put together, they won. We serve a vast array of different industry sectors, and the Hanwhas and our other machine tools within the factory actually serve all those industry sectors, which are automotive, environmental, medical, domestic gas. They vary. So these machine tools could be making any industry component at any time.